Hello everyone, welcome to my division. Today I am going to present a very different topic, that is leg length discrepancy versus pelvic obliquity. Let's understand the difference. Although both can cause an uneven posture, alternated and low back pain, they are not same conditions. So firstly we are discuss about the limb length discrepancy. Leg length discrepancy or LLD occurs when one leg is actually shorter or longer than the others. That may result from a congenital factor, fractures, growth disturbance, and the joint instability. Because of the limbs are unequal in length, the body often compensates by tilting the pelvis and alter walking mechanics. So these are the causes of LLD, and the key point difference is the bone length. It is a structural problem. So what is pelvic obliquity? Pelvic obliquity refers to an asymmetrical position of the pelvic where the one side of the pelvic is higher than the other. And this is often caused by a muscle imbalance, poor posture, scoliotic changes, or joint dysfunctions. In many cases, the leg length are normal, but the pelvic tilt creates the appearance of a shorter leg. The most important key point is the differentiate in pelvic alignment. It is a functional problem, not a structural problem, and LLD is a structural problem. So, how do we differentiate then? The key difference is that the leg discrepancy is a structural problem involving the length of the bones, where the pelvic obliquity is a positional problem involving the pelvic alignment. A patient with pelvic obliquity may appears have to unequal leg lengths, but once the pelvic is aligned, the alignment is corrected and the appearance differentiation may be disappeared. So these are the difference between them. The LLD, a true difference in both leg, but in pelvic obliquity, pelvic is tilted, leg length is normal. That is a functional problem, and there is no change in leg length because that is a structural change. Due to structural change, there is no change within the position, but due to the functional change may be change with the position or correction. In LLD, often lifelong because it is a structural change, but in PO, it can be due to muscle imbalance, postural or dysfunctions. May need shoe lifting or a structural correction to correct LLD, but in pelvic obliquity, improve with the therapy, exercise, and the correction methods. Both conditions have almost common symptoms like low back pain, hip or pelvic pain, altered gait pattern, uneven posture, or muscle fatigue and strains. And the treatment guidelines for the LLD, the treatment may include the shoe lifts, gait training, and the corrective exercises. For pelvic obliquity, the physiotherapy focus on the posture correction, muscle strengthening, stretching, pelvic stabilization, and addressing the underlying biomechanical cause. So remember, not every short leg is not a true leg length discrepancy. Sometimes real issue lies in pelvic alignment. Accurate the assessment is essential to identify the source of problem and provide the most effective treatment. Thank you for watching Medvision. If you found the video is helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more physiotherapy and rehabilitation content. Thank you for watching Medvision.